Alright, it's your boy back with another video for you guys. Things are getting real crazy. Let's just get into it.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P.
Alright, listen, man. Things are getting crazy. We're paying basically for the average person like half your check for gas. Just absolute madness. Prices set to increase even higher, inflation set to go even higher. This is honestly what hyperinflation looks like. Do not be fooled. That's why owning these assets like Bitcoin, crypto, AMC, and using these hedges on the market are so important. Do not be fooled. Do not be shaken out of your position. They want you to sell. Do not give up your assets. You can use these assets to borrow loans. So say you need cash, you can go and get loans from your crypto. You don't have to sell your crypto. But let's go ahead and get into the charts and the technical analysis, the data, and get you guys up to date on what's going on. Alright, and welcome back to another video with Data Zero. So you already know we drop heat on this channel, and we're going to drop some more heat today. So let's just talk about quickly inflation, okay? So basically what we're doing is spending for the average person your paycheck on gas. So some possible plays you can make are EV plays, like Tesla and Lucid. Those are also good stocks that you can make as plays, but let's not get really into those. I will be doing those in a separate video. What we're really going to talk about is AMC and what is going on with AMC. So we had a very strange day today, and I want to explain exactly why we've been stuck in this range. So people are very, very confused why we're stuck in this range. And I want to tell you exactly why. Because the hedge funds are out of options. They have no options left. If this stock goes any lower, the first one out the door is the one that won't go bankrupt. Okay, so the first one out the door doesn't go bankrupt. So they're all waiting to be the first one to cover. And when they cover, we get huge run-ups like this. And do not think that this run-up from $14 to $72 was a squeeze. That was just simply FOMO, people scared of missing out of the squeeze, and that was gamma squeezing and some shorts covering. You also had some shorts covering here, and this is what shorts covering look like. Huge moves like this, from $28 to $52. Do you know how much money you can make right there? Okay, so this stuff is going to be absolutely insane. I need you guys to be prepared. And do not also sleep on crypto. We're going to cover crypto in the video as well. Don't sleep on crypto. Don't think that crypto is still not the play. It's absolutely one of the most important plays because after you make all this money, do you really want to sit in the US dollar and lose money to inflation? To a dollar that's crumbling and losing value every day? No, you don't. You want to put it in crypto. You want to put it in Bitcoin. So that's why you got to follow this channel, like and subscribe, not financial advice. We're going to guide you every step of the way. After the squeeze, I'm going to show you what you guys to do, how to maintain your wealth, because there's people that win the lottery all the time, and what do? They fuck their money up. We're not going to fuck our money up. Once we get our money, we're going to keep our money. We're going to build generational wealth for our families so our kids have money, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do this because this is going to happen right in the middle of the recession when all of this bad stuff is happening, when all of these bad things are happening and all of this stuff is at its peak. AMC is going to squeeze because the hedge funds are going to be forced to cover because of the margin calls, and then we will have a large amount of money to buy the bottom of everything while it's being sold for dirt cheap and ride it all the way to the top and become millionaires and billionaires for life. And this is not a joke, not financial advice. You can do what you want. I have my own plan. I did my research for over 2 years at this point. Okay, I highly suggest you guys do your own research, but I did my own research for 2 years. 2 years. So let's go ahead and check out institutional ownership for AMC. As you can see, it has not changed. Institutional ownership is still through the roof, and we're in this blue structure. Why? Because if they go any lower, then one of the hedge funds might cover, and then it will start a chain reaction, causing all of the shorts to cover, causing the squeeze that we want so badly to happen, And guess what? If it goes higher, then they're going to lose money because they have to be forced to cover it because they're going to get margin called because the banks are going to call and say, hey, we need our money because this stock is way too high and you guys got to cover your positions. So that's why the stock has to stay in between this $14 to $18 level, no matter what happens. And if we see it move in between, it's going to be dramatic. So if we see it go over $20, it's going to rocket. If we see it go below like $14, $13, it's going to dump and then rocket. It, I honestly think there's not too many moves left for them. And as you can see, we have higher low, and we're still in this bullish pennant when it comes to AMC technical analysis. Not too much going on since the last updates. Just take heed to the words that I'm saying. Obviously, do your own research, but as you can see, also on GMB breaking out of this huge falling wedge, and we're still breaking out in the same structure that I've been talking about. Look how it bounced perfectly off the levels that I predicted, and it's just following this level perfectly. This is a classic reversal here on AMC and GME. So the spots you want to be buying are the $15 and $14 range, anywhere in there. If the bullish pennant does break out, you can make a lot of profit there. Obviously, we're waiting for the squeeze, but you can day trade this thing and accumulate more shares. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is making higher lows, higher low again. So this was the low, this was the low, this was the low. It's also in a bullish pennant, and guess what? Last time we seen a bullish pennant like this, guess what Bitcoin did? It broke out to what, 69K. So right here is what it did. Similar after we had these lows, what you want to do is accumulate as much crypto as you can right now. So when it runs back up, you will be absolutely stacked. Because once it goes back up, it's going to make a higher high. It's probably going to go to 70, 80K. I'll give you guys a closer price prediction during the time. But as you can see, this is a very clear bullish structure here on Bitcoin and crypto. And I have been reporting this on my last video, so check all my other videos. I just want to get this video out so you guys understand what's happening. Things are about to get absolutely crazy when it comes to the prices. We got food prices going to increase 70 to 80%, rent prices increasing 70 to 90%, and we have gas prices increasing 50 to 80% by the summer. So we're going to be spending our paychecks on basic necessities. It's going to get absolutely crazy. I'm not trying to scare people. I'm just trying to get you guys prepared. So buy as much crypto as possible. We'll get out of the dollar. Do not hold savings accounts. Savings accounts are getting annihilated because they're losing value. Just because the number in the savings account doesn't go down doesn't mean that that same, for instance, say you have $1,000. Does that same $1,000 in this environment buy you the same thing next week, next month, next year? No, it does not. It buys you less and less and less and less. So even though the number doesn't change, you still lose value. And that's why you have to invest into the market and use these tools, especially crypto and AMC and GB as the market hedge because of the stock market plumbing and the way crypto was built, particularly Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the number one coin. Altcoins are good, but Bitcoin is the main coin that you want to stack. So that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. I'll be updating things as they develop. The war in Russia is continuing to escalate. Things are continuing to get crazy. Let's just go ahead and look at some call options and data real quick before we wrap the video up. As you can see, on March 11, we have this call, many calls expiring in the money at $16 for AMC. For overall crypto market, it's a mixed bag. We have a lot of green in the overall crypto market. ADA up 0.5%, ETH up 2.9%, Bitcoin up 2.1%, BNB up 1.5%. And these are the most talked about coins by social analytics, meaning by social media mentions. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos at number 3, PancakeSwap, XRP, Cardano at number 8, Shiba Inu at number 9. Decentraland at number 14. So hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Again, I'll be covering everything as it happens. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys so you guys can understand why these plays are so important and why I have been covering so extensively on my channel. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.